So the story of Elven Moon is about a female elf coming into her own age and trying to figure out who she is and her purpose in life. And basically, she's on the run. Her mother is trying to hunt her down. Why is her mom trying to hunt her down? Is because she has the key. She has powers that she doesn't know about. Her father has been murdered by his own wife, but he was magically able to tether himself to a magic sword. And along the way of her trying to discover who she is and what she is, she has some protectors and some friends that she meets. And they range from mermaids to a female pack of werewolves. It's a pretty cool story. I wrote this for the Disney families, you know, for the people who like Disney movies. And hopefully, maybe one day, Elven Moon will be a video game or a movie that you can watch, or even a TV series. So sit back, relax, and I'm going to read a little bit from Elven Moon Part 2.